you love your brother, how much more if you have a boyfriend?
What?
How much more if you have a boyfriend, you will love your boyfriend also.
Oh yeah, yeah. I
Husband.
love my boyfriend also.
Oh, you have a boyfriend?
Not like my brother.
Okay.
Es gibt wieder was anderes leben wieder. Ja. Handy, your phone.
Thank you so much.
Naman ko pala yung nakuha ng mga coins dito na sa Cebu Grupo.
Kamay na lang ni. Magana yung inya bala. How many days you gonna stay here, guys?
2 weeks in total.
2 weeks. This is your
1 more week.
1 more week.
Yeah, 1 more week. How did you learn to do that?
I learned from his brother, his older brother, and also in him.
You can also do it?
Yes, we do together.